Hi, Grotty friends, Lacey here at Cheeky Bomb, and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. So I went the day after 4th of July because that's usually when they start putting out the back to school sale stuff at mine, and they were just kind of putting it up. So I need to go back and look for some more gems because they do have some really good stuff out. I've seen some cute stuff circulating, so I need to go back and see what I can find, but I'll show you some of the stuff that I did find because I did have a decent haul. So first off, they have some new journals, notepads, just stuff. But I picked up this book journal because, I'm a book reader, so I do like a good book journal. This is not 100% my jam, and the pages are pretty thin, but I think that I would probably like deconstruct this and make this into my own. I think that that could be really cute. But if you're just starting, if you don't want to spend money on a good book journal because they can be kind of pricey, I think that this is a good little start. It's got some sticky stuff in it. Huh. Oh, it's just like a sticker. Weird. But I think it's really cute and I like it. This is the only color they had in the book journal at mine. I don't know if there's any other colors or not. This is just what I found. I also found this. I'm still finding some cowgirl stuff, but this one is green. Green and the bright pink. Like, it just looks really cute together. It is just a lined journal, so you can use it for whatever you want. But I'm really liking the colors. I found these. They did have a couple different styles. So they did have a strawberry one that I seen. I remember that. And then, what was the other one? I think there was 3 or 4 different styles. I just grabbed these two because I am doing a groovy swap, and I thought that these could be cute little gifts to put in there. But let me open them up and show you because I didn't open them up in the store. But for a 3 little set, I thought that it was really cute. So we have this one with a smiley face on it. It's just lined, but it is like an orange line. And then you have this one with flowers. Same thing. And then this one that says a shine bright. How cute are those? You could always add to it. Really juice them up, add stickers, embellishments, whatever, or just gift them as is. I'm not quite sure what I'll do with them, if I want to add to them or gift them as is. But either way, they're really cute. They're really, really cute. I did pick up one of these. I usually grab the 2, or no, I think it's a 3-pack, and they're a little thinner. They're not as structured as these. I like to put all my scraps in there. If I have a collection scraps, or if I'm working on Christmas, I have one that has like Christmas scraps in there. I have one that has Halloween. I have one that has just pattern paper. I just like to put scraps, usually for collections, in these because they work really well and they're wide. I think they're over, they're 12 inches. They're not 12 inches. I can't put 12 by 12 card in, but I can put 12 by 12 or 12 length. Yeah, 12. Oh, it's like 13. So I can put like, a strip of 12 by 12 in there if I wanted to. So I really like these. This one has a little bit more structure and it's a little thicker. So I will probably transfer some of probably my Christmas scraps over to this one because I have quite a few of those. They had pink and purple and blue, I think. I just grabbed one because I want to make sure that I like it before I go back and grab more, because I usually don't mind the thinner, flimsier ones, the ones that are just kind of like thinner acetate. They work really well for me, but I grabbed this one. What else did I find? I found these new pencil boxes. I did see Leave It to Lisa Crafts haul these. I picked up 2 of the pink. They also had purple and like a minty teal color. So one side is just an open piece or section. I did get these last year. I didn't really care for the designs, but I took acetone and removed the designs, and I'd probably put like paper on top of them anyway to use them in swaps, and I just haven't done it yet. I think I have like a purple and a mint from last year, but they're solid. They're not metallic-y. And on this side, the compartment is long and then you have 2 smaller ones. But this is really good, like if you want, you could put embellishments or beads on the other side. You could put a pokey tool or a beaded pen on this side. You could do technically a long pokey tool or a beaded pen, but you could also, I think this is big enough for a small pokey tool. I don't have anything on me right now. I think this is the closest one I have to me, but it does fit a pen, and it would fit a small pokey tool depending on how big and bulky it is. You could put beads right here, embellishments, flowers. I don't know. You could do so many things with these. So I grabbed 2 of the pink. I wanted to grab 2 of the mint ones too, but I need to use these ones first and see. Oh no, there was, I remember. So there was only 1 mint one, and I wanted to grab at least 2 of a color if I'm going to do it, because if I use them for swaps, I need to at least have 2. And there was only 1 mint one, so I didn't grab it. So hopefully if I go to a different one and I see them, I can grab 2, and then I'd have 2 in my stash. I also found these clipboards. They're neon clipboards. They had pink, orange, yellow, and green. Or maybe purple. I can't remember now. Gosh, my short-term memory is so bad. I just picked up 2 of the pink because I thought that these could be really cute. I haven't seen anybody do a clipboard swap in a while, but I really like clipboard swaps, and I thought that these would be cool. I picked up pink because that's more universal. But now I kind of want like 2 green ones because that would be perfect for Halloween. But I don't know if anybody's doing Halloween. Like, I don't know what Halloween swaps are out there yet. I think there's only 1 or 2 that have dropped so far. I'll probably wait a couple more weeks before I drop mine. But I think I might have to go grab the green ones, and maybe even just for boo mail, because they're just really cool. This is pretty sturdy, so you could add quite a bit of things in this. So I really like these, and it's a good size too, not too big, not too small. So they did have bigger ones, like a standard size clipboard that were like a solid color, and I think I seen mint, pink, and purple, and maybe black, but I didn't grab them. I just grabbed the small ones. That's me. I grabbed 2 more of these. I love putting things in there. I have one that has flowers. I have one that has bows. I have one that has flag embellishments. Yeah, I use these to store my paper crafts in so that I can just pull it out when I'm doing a project and like, oh, I need flowers. So I pull out the one that has just handmade flowers, and I just kind of go through them and like, oh, these are perfect for this swap, or so forth. Sometimes I'll just put, if I'm gathering stuff for a swap, I usually use a bigger box, but those ones are harder to find with the top lid. Those are a little bit bigger. But when I'm gathering stuff, so say I'm gathering stuff for a groovy swap, so I'd put these in here. Anything else that I'm gathering, I put it all in one place so that I know where it is when I get to that swap, and it's not just floating off into space, because sometimes that happens, or getting lost in bags, so forth. So I love these. I write on them with either dry erase marker or a chalk marker, so that I can just erase whatever it is on there. And yeah, that's how I store stuff, because yeah, I can write on them. They store enough stuff for me, and yeah, I really like them. I only grabbed 2 because I think I couldn't remember if I had any empty ones, but it doesn't look like I have any empty ones right now, so I might have to go back and grab some more. Let's see what else I found. I found some cute new little lip glosses. I know that they have a variety out there, but I only grabbed the Alice in Wonderland ones, and I grabbed these ones. They do have regular chapstick that you can put in like the chapstick sleeves or tubes, the dies. But I like the squeezy one so that I can put little charms, little dangles on them. And I grabbed some Alice in Wonderland ones so that I really want to do some Alice in Wonderland crafts. So I don't know if anybody is, even thinking about doing a swap or not, an Alice in Wonderland swap, but maybe I just need to just do some Happy Meal. I'm not quite sure, but I want to craft Alice. So I grabbed these. I found these cute little hair ties. I'm always using these. So this one has cherries. I wish all of them had cherries, but I mean, standard pink. I found some donut erasers. yeah, these are always good to have in your stash. I have some ice cream ones that I just pulled out for an ice cream swap, but you can put little eye hooks in here and you can use them as charms. You can use them as embellishments. You can use them as many different things. So I grabbed them. I did find some new stickers in the school, the teaching tree. I mean, these aren't amazing stickers, but I like to just put them on my boxes, like decorate my boxes with them. I liked this one because I had the roller, I had some like retro looking ones. It even had some little games, and like I liked the magical. I probably wouldn't use like super or wow, but again, I like to put stickers on my boxes if I can, and these ones had kind of retro-y vibes too, and a little bit of everything. They had cherries and flowers, so these ones will be good as well. And then I found these. I don't know if these are new or I just happened to finally notice them. They had some smaller ones back in the day, but these are bigger size ones, and I feel like these will be perfect for some crafting. You can put paper on them. I'm thinking like, you know, anything shabby chic, vintage. I don't know. They're just really cute. So I have those. I ran out of these. These are like little snack bags, but I feel like they're the perfect size to just put stuff in. If you have like, I don't know, if you get like the big bags of like table scatter, and you want to put them in a resealable bag, they're just, you know, sometimes there's too much for other things. I don't know. I like this size. I feel like it's a good size, so I always have these in my craft room. I finally found a couple of these little drink keychains, and I want to, oh, they're not resealable bags. Oh, wow. I'm going to open one because I thought that, I don't know if it'll fit or not. I know people had found these a long time ago, but mine, I just noticed them at mine. I think, does the lid come off? It does come off. Or I was told it did. Maybe not. Maybe they're sealed on. Oh, that's kind of a bummer. I thought that the lid would come off so that I thought that I would be able to stick like a chapstick in there, but it seems like it's pretty sealed down there. That's a bummer. I only found one blue and one purple, but I'll find something to use them for. And then I pick up, you know, some more tape. I heard their pricing, you know, is going up. I think I overheard the cashier at one of the stores say beginning of the month. So beginning of August, a lot of their pricing is going up to $1.75. I don't know if it's going to be on everything. It's kind of a bummer. Like, we were just kind of getting used to $1.25 instead of $1. So $1.75, I don't know. They do sell bigger rolls of this tape over at Hobby Lobby. It is, of course, more. I think it's $2 something. I don't really know. But they do sell, it's quite a bigger roll. But there is alternatives if you can't find these ones. These ones just happen to fit in the KS Crafts new little foam tape dispenser really well. So I grabbed some because I'm going to be making some. And then last but not least, I picked up more of these containers. I love these. These work perfect at my desk for whatever I want. Yeah, I just love organization trays, and these ones just work really well, and they fit in the Alex drawers really well. So if you have Alex drawers, I highly recommend these. I have them in almost every single one of my drawers to store something. I have like alcohol inks in one. I have just anything you can think of. I have one with stickers. I have one that has like all my beadable stuff in there. I have one that has pokey tools, just the beaded pens, you know, in their sleeves. Yeah, I just like organization. So it works really well. I've used these to put like Memdexes in. These ones are a little thinner for them, but these shorter wide ones, you can fit Memdexes in. You could use one of these thin ones for ATC cards if you wanted just, you know, a long thing of ATC cards. I don't know. I just like them. And my store usually carries the gray, but when I can find the green ones, they usually only come out for back to school. I pick them up because of course I like teals and mints. But I usually find the grays. I don't know if I've found any other colors. I think I've only seen gray and teal, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. But I hope that you guys can find some stuff. I can't wait to go back and see if I can find some more stuff, some more little gems that I'm looking for in the back to school crafting. So happy hunting, friends. So I forgot some stuff. I thought that, you know, I got done doing the video. I'm looking at my desk. I was like, there seems like there's still stuff missing. So I looked on my floor and there was a pile there. So I found some stuff in the party section, gift bag, stuff like that. Some stuff that was on clearance and some new stuff. I'm still on the hunt for a couple gift bags. I feel like all the groovy ones that I really wanted, all the retro looking ones, but there is a cowgirl one and there's some checkered ones that I'm still on the hunt for. I think it's just like two-toned, checkered, like, you know, green on green or pink on pink. Anyway, so I'm on the hunt for those, but I did find this tissue paper. I usually like to buy the bigger packs because you don't get much in this, but this is giving me very much groovy vibes, and I am in a groovy swap, so I picked up that one. I picked up another one of these. This one is in the blue. I usually like more of the iridescent, but I thought that this would be good for any kind of summer swap. And I found these cool new bows. They have them in different colors, but I thought that these were just fun. I feel like they lay a little, like somewhat flat, so you could really even layer these up and create embellishments on top, maybe. I'm not quite sure, but I'm gonna put them in my stash for something to play with. And then I found these were on clearance. But I am doing a travel swap and I happen to be doing safari themed, so I figured I could throw these in my box. It just says wild. I like the little leaves. There's monkeys, there's giraffes, there's tigers, stuff like that. So they'll be used, and they were only, I think these were down to 25 cents, 50 cents or 25 cents, but they were pretty cheap. Oh, I did find some ducks. They're unicorn ducks, but we are a jeeping family and we do like to duck other people. So I thought, oh, we'll put some unicorns in our bag of ducks to duck people. And see, I picked up some gray ones and I forgot that I had these in a bag. So I hauled the green ones, but I do have gray. These are usually the typical color I find, but again, I like to have them in my stash. I also found these little clips and they're smiley faces, so they're like retro vibes, so I'm gonna put those in my swap. I also found some new nail art charms, and I like to use these. These are good for like shakers and embellishments and stuff because of the size. They're pretty small, so that's usually what I like to use these for. Oops, I'm grabbing stuff. So this one has little blue flowers, which are gorgeous. So I like using these little flowers. This one has like white iridescent ones. We have some little gems. These are like little rocks. We have some blue halfback pearls and then some bigger cream halfback pearls. But yeah, I like using these in shakers and stuff. And then I was able to find some of the treat bags. There is a light pink striped one that I'm looking for, but I found this brighter like fuchsia pink. I found the light pink polka dots and the light blue stripes. They're just great for putting stuff in. And I was able to find a while back, I found the pink cupcakes, but I finally found the tealy mint cupcakes. I did have somebody ask me like how they would turn these into shakers, so I'm gonna work on that soon. And then I found this banner. It's like a groovy banner, but I thought that I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I'm gonna take it apart and use them for something. But you get this disco ball, you get a roller skate, you get some disco cherries, smiley face, and then this heart that says I'm feeling good. I don't know. I'm gonna just figure out if I can use them somehow, some way. And last but not least, I found these stickers. I usually, again, don't like the younger stickers, like the little kid stickers, but again, I'm doing a travel slash safari swap, and with all the animals, I thought that these would be good. I got 2 to use in the swap and then 1 to decorate my box or whatever with. So that is my haul finally. I'm pretty sure that's all of it. Again, I hope that you guys have happy hunting. I hope that you find some good gems out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.